Today's topic is internal JavaScript. Internal JavaScript can also called as inline JavaScript. If there is small application or the code containing few lines or code is small, and if there are no many pages which requires similar JavaScript code. In that case, internal JavaScript can be used. In internal JavaScript, the JavaScript code present in the same HTML page. So let's see how we can use internal JavaScript in our HTML page. For internal JavaScript, we can use script tag in the head section of the HTML page, or we can use script tag in the body section of the HTML page. This is a script tag, and in this script tag we can write our JavaScript code. Here we have taken one sentence. Here we can see the sentence internal JavaScript example from header section. Similarly, we can use this script tag in body section. Internal JavaScript example from body section. We can use the script tag in head section or in body section of the HTML page. In this way, we can use internal JavaScript in HTML page. So that's all for internal JavaScript or inline JavaScript. Thanks for watching.